Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3 5G and I'm gonna show you how to take burst shot in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner button. When we tap on it, we can open the camera settings. Now let's focus on pictures category. At the first position here we have swipe shutter button 2 option, so when we tap on it we can decide between take burst shot or create GIF. So let me stay on take burst shot, and when we move back to the camera we can take it by sliding down the shutter button. As you can see, here we have the countdown and we can take many pictures at the same time, so our burst shot. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.